Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. If you're new to the channel, I'm Rebecca, and today we'll be doing a little planting project where we transplant a number of cacti, or we go through the process of propagating cactus plants. So I have a number of established cactus plants, and I wanted to separate out some of the smaller little baby cacti and put them into their own little pot or vessel so that they can grow and hopefully develop some more little baby cactus plants. So follow along while we propagate some cacti. So here I have all of my supplies laid out. First I have a number of established cactus plants in their current pots. And I also have a new vessel I'm going to use. This actually was a bowl with a lid that I had in the kitchen. The lid broke, so I thought this would be really pretty for planting a number of cactus plants. And I have the cactus potting mix. This cactus mix works really well for the cactus plants, and it really helps with their growth and has some excellent drainage. Next, you'll need some nice thick gloves so you don't hurt your fingers when trying to touch the cactus plants. I also use a forceps to kind of grab some of the smaller cactus plants. You could also use the tweezers just to help grab onto the plants, so I'm hopefully not hurting my fingers too much. So first thing we need to do is add some of this cactus soil into our vessel we're going to be transplanting or propagating the cactus plants into. Let me set this off to the side. Now the cactus plants that I have in these two pots here, these were created from propagation about a year ago. And I had the four large ones and just maybe 2 or 3 of the medium-sized ones in this, and all the rest have sprouted out new. Same goes for this little pot here. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 5 or 6 in here. All the rest are new little babies that have popped up. Just gently take a little baby off the mother plant and stick it into the soil. Sometimes the cactus plant may require sticking into water to make the roots develop. But I found when I did this last year, I really didn't need to do that process, and I just did exactly what I'm doing today. They might have little spines sticking out already. So I'm just going to work on removing some of the smaller cactus plants and placing them into this new vessel. All right guys, here we have it. Here are our propagated cacti plants. So all I did was remove some of the smaller new growth baby cactus plants from these two pots, and where it was a little overcrowded or just a bunch growing off of a mother plant, I just simply removed them and stuck them in this nice cactus soil. As you may have noticed, some of the plants had a nice root structure already from them, and they were oftentimes on the mother plant but just in contact with the soil, so then it reached down and created some root structure. So if you simply put the baby plant into the cactus mix, you should have some good luck with growing some new cactus plants as well. You can do whatever pattern you want in your new vessel for your cactus plants, and they'll fill in and grow new little babies on them over time. I still have a number of little baby plants here that I can remove from some of these larger cacti, but I think I'll let them grow a little bit larger and I can put them into another pot at that time. Well, I hope you enjoyed our time together while we propagated some cactus plants, and hopefully you saw how easy it is to create new cactus plants from some baby ones that may have grown off of another mother plant, or if you have some established cactus plants yourself and you notice that the vessel is becoming overcrowded with new growth of cacti, you can propagate them and place them into a new vessel with some really nice cactus potting mix and create a whole new cactus garden. These are great indoors or outdoors if you have nice warm temperature, and it's really fun to grow your cactus plants yourself because they continue to keep making more and you can keep spreading them out and creating new cactus gardens. Or if you're new to the channel and haven't done so yet, I would really appreciate you subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video going over how to propagate and transplant cactus plants, you may enjoy some of my other videos I have on container planting and gardening. You can check out my gardening and in the yard playlist for more videos on the topics. But I hope you're having a wonderful day. See you next time. Take care.